Here is a wonderful 2024 Toyota GR86. Here's a high-performance GR86 that offers thrilling athleticism, sleek coupe lines, modern safety and infotainment features, and endless exhilaration, all at a surprisingly affordable price. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, satellite radio, heated mirrors, backup camera, electronic stability control, dual zone AC, aluminum wheels, heated front seat, steering wheel audio controls. High-performance excitement blends with affordable practicality in this seductive GR86. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.